everyone, so today I have a chicken sandwich for you guys and I am loving all these cooking videos, so I wanted to share this with you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's start watching. All right, so now I feel like having a sandwich, a chicken sandwich. So I have the chicken seasoned already, and I season it with the typical, you guys already know, my adobo, just a little bit because it has a lot of sodium, with my garlic powder, oregano, salt, pepper, like that, just with the basic things. So it's already seasoned, and I'm gonna have a little tiny bit of fries, not a lot, and these I bought from Walmart. And let's look at the ingredients stuff. All right, so these are 110 calories, 2 grams of fat, 250 sodium, and 2 grams of protein. So I'm just gonna have a little tiny bit, not a lot, like, yeah, exactly like 14 pieces. I'm gonna turn on my oven. Okay, now I'm just gonna cook the chicken. And if you are curious, I'm going to be using these. If you guys saw my last video, then you'll know that I literally just bought these. And these are the sandwich skinners, and these are multi-grain. I have not tried them. Josue did, and he really liked them, so I'm going to try these. And these they're only 100 calories and 1 gram of fat and 140 of sodium and 4 grams of protein. So that's that. So I'm just gonna have this. So I'm just gonna start cooking the chicken. I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit of this olive oil that I like. It's a pure avocado oil, and this is one I use, and I love this one. I'm not gonna put a lot, but all right, let's do it. I usually do 4 minutes on each side. Well, actually you have some tomatoes and some onions. I love sandwiches with onions, so I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of mayo to each side. Oh, dang it, I forgot I wanted to heat the bun up. Ugh. All right, never mind. All right, so first I'm gonna put this part over here, chicken. I actually want to add some salt to the tomatoes, and like all this. I think I want to add, I think I'm at 2 tomatoes, like that. And then some onions. I love onions. And I don't have any lettuce or anything, so it's just gonna be like this. And then I'm gonna go right here. We're gonna add Alright guys, so this is the sandwich. This is the sandwich. This is how it looks like. It looks so good. I need some barbecue sauce, but I don't think I have barbecue sauce. Oh wait, I do. I do. Okay. So, and I'll put the calories right here and like everything about it, but it just looks so yummy. Look at that. Wait. Like that. It looks so good, guys.